Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Guys, today we're gonna give you some pan-fried pork. We're gonna serve it with some nuni potato and some string bean. Guys, it's just fantastic, it's just beautiful, really nice, with some onion sprinkled over on top of it to give it a nice lovely cooked up flavor in the oven. Enjoy the recipe. Please leave a comment if you like the comment. If you like it, guys, just subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got your best recipe. Request something and we will make it for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Lovely and nice, guys. What I want to say to you, remember we marinate that beautiful pork, and I know you guys love the idea of how I marinate the pork. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pan fry up the pork and put it straight inside of the oven. Basically, right here I have a medium-sized frying pan on the stove, as you can see, with some oil inside of it already. Just taking my pork from the fridge. I don't even have to show you what's going on because you already see how I marinate the pork with the first video. So basically, we're gonna fry up the pork like this. That's the first piece of the pork chopped right here. Next piece, on a medium-sized piece. And remember, we said it's only 6 pieces, so we're gonna do 3 piece more. And this gonna share with some nuni potato and some string bean. So basically, we're gonna fry this roughly one nice good 3 to 4 minutes until you get that perfect color what you're looking for. Nice one. So right here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically spin it over to the other side, to the other side, and to the other side like this. So you can see that lovely color which we are talking about. Coming up really good so far. Nice one. So this is finished. Nice. Oh, look at this one. These are beautiful. Next one. Next one. Next one. Put out all of those seasoning inside of it. But that's why it's stuff on them, because you don't want the pepper to burst. So be careful, guys. Nice one. As I can see, this is finished. Looking lovely and nice. Yes, nice one. Turn off. So right here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off my stove. As you can see, get that pepper flavor. Sprinkle out all of these flavor right on top of it like this. It's just really nice and beautiful. So guys, I want you to enjoy the recipe, but next thing what we're gonna do is basically, as you can see, that's looking so lovely and fantastic. So basically what you need to do, take a piece of foil. Hold on first, before you foil it, just sprinkle some honey on top of it like this. And what the honey gonna do, you're gonna soak inside of it and give it a lovely flavor. Nice one. Then put the fire over it. Preheat the oven first at gas mark 7 or 8 If you use a different oven, 175 is good for it for 20 minutes. Enjoy the recipe. Nice one. I just take it from the oven, guys. I take off the file already, but it is beautiful, 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 beautiful pork chops here. Enjoy it. I'm gonna plate it up now. Like you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo doing in the kitchen for you guys. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. Bye bye. Nice one. I just shared the pan fried pork, guys. Look at this. Beautiful, really nice, fantastic, guys. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe coming out like this. As you can see, it's amazing. You can do this at home and your family happy. As you can see, pan fried pork, very basic and simple recipe, guys. And as I said, marinate the pork, put it on to soak for 24 hours. This is the result you get from it, guys. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.